One Seaside Grave, Christina Rossetti. Unmindful of the roses, unmindful of the thorn, a reaper tired reposes among his gathered corn. So might I, till the morn. Cold as the cold Decembers, past as the days that set, while only one remembers and all the rest forget. But one remembers yet.